Hello. Alright, so for the first assignment I am giving you, you are going to take a quiz to find out which artist should be your BFF. So if you click on the link that I gave you, it should take you to this website. This is the Tate. It's a modern museum in London. So here, you'll just scroll down, and you're going to answer 8 simple questions, and then from there, it's going to tell you who your artist BFF is. So you'll just answer, and that will take you automatically to the next question. So once you finish, you are going to get your BFF artist. Now, I took the quiz, and my BFF is Yinka Shanibari. I hope I said that right. So underneath, it's going to give you a little passage that tells you a bit about your artist, of course the name, where they're from, about what kind of art they make, and things like that. So I want you to read this, and then from there you will click on the form I gave you, and you're going to answer 3 simple questions. So the first question is going to be the name of your artist, where your artist is from, and then here I want you to write between 2 to 3 complete sentences about who your artist is, what their work is like, or any kind of interesting information that you learned from reading about your artist. Now, just answer as best as you can. I want mature answers. You guys, I know y'all will knock this out of the park. So, anyways, good luck. Can't wait to see which artist is your BFF. Okay, bye-bye.